your Hardin County 4-H educator, and joining today is my Cloverbud,
Lily,
and we have Cooper. He's a little bit young for Cloverbuds, but he's here with us too. And this week is our very first episode of our new show,
Cloverbud Creators.
So we've been doing a lot of art projects here at home, and we thought that we would take some time once a week to share with you one of our art projects that you can do at home with your family. What are we going to make today, Lily?
A glitter bottle. This is our third time making one.
So we have practiced this before, but I bet this one is going to be our best one yet, don't you think? So let's show them the ingredients and the supplies that they need. First of all, some hot water, and this is actually very hot, so make sure that you have a grown-up with you to help you with the hot water. What else?
And you will need glitter. You can use any kind of glue, like glitter glue, clear glue, and you're going to need a plastic bottle, some kind of bottle that you can keep it in. And you can also add some more ingredients like pom-poms or glue dots.
And you're also going to need something that you can stir the water in and something to stir with. So let's get started.
Oh yeah, let's show them all the glitter things.
Okay, let's show them the glitter.
So this is glitter glue dots. And these pom-poms are kind of glittery.
And then we also have some loose crafting glitter as well.
And our glue is glittery too.
So this is going to be really glittery. Oh, Cooper's trying to help. Not yet, buddy. That's not time for that yet. Just wait and you can help us with that in a minute. So first thing that we did was we peeled the label off of our bottle and we washed that off a little bit so that it was a little bit better. If you have Goo Gone at home, it will help get all the sticky stuff off your bottle. Next, we're going to add some of our hot water to our mixing bowl.
So you will need a grown-up.
And you can see it is pretty hot.
It's steaming.
Okay, so I've got that in there. Now, Lily, why don't you help me add the glitter glue?
The pink.
So we're going to add the glue straight to this hot water so that the glue starts to dissolve. All right, Lil, why don't you carefully and very slowly start stirring. One of the nice things about the glitter glue is that you can see it dissolving. Bless you, Cooper.
Well, that's so cool.
Okay, so it's starting to dissolve.
So lumpy.
The next step is very important that you have an adult do this step. We're going to slowly pour our water and glue mixture into our bottle. And as you can see, there's still a little bit of steam, so this is still very hot. We want to make sure that we have a grown-up help us with this part so that we don't get hurt.
And so we don't spill things everywhere.
If you have a funnel, it could also be really helpful to use a funnel for this part, but we don't have a funnel here at home. So I'm just going to very slowly pour this in. Got a little bit spilled everywhere, but that's okay.
Is it dripping?
Because we'll be able to.
Is it time to put these in?
So the next step that we have is putting in our mixings.
Okay, so first we're gonna put in the pom-poms.
Okay, go ahead and dump those in. Okay, Coop.
Not an orange.
Too late. There's orange.
No oranges. No, Cooper.
It's okay. He can help.
But don't put in any.
Cooper, can you find some blue ones?
Yeah. Get some blue ones.
Okay. And next we're going to start adding in our loose glitter. So I will just take the lids off and hand them to Lily, and she can dump the glitter in.
No more pom-poms.
And you can add as much glitter as you want.
Yes, but I'm not going to add all of this glitter, all of one of mine, because these are new.
Now what we're going to do is add more water.
Wait, we haven't added the glitter.
Okay.
Mom, look at what they're doing.
Now mix-ins in, and we're going to take our hot water and fill the rest of the bottle. We're just gonna leave a little bit at the top. Don't overpour, or if you fill it all the way up, it is going to overflow and get glitter everywhere.
Does that look cool?
Next, we're going to put on our lid. And Lily, would you like to do the honors of shaking?
You can also
So the bottle is still hot right now, but as it cools, the glitter will move slower and slower. So let's get it real close so they can see.
That looks really purple.
It does look really purple.
I'm getting my hands in glue.
That's okay, we're gonna clean it up.
With that.
So you can see as things start to settle, we still have some pom-poms going. One of the things in our home that we use glitter jars for is when we need a timeout or when we need a cool down period. So if we're upset or if we are angry with someone, we might take our bottle to our quiet spot, shake it up. You can see it spinning around. And then we'll set it back down, and you have to be quiet and just thinking about how to calm down until all of the glitter is gone.
This is our mermaid bottle.
So on this one, we used greens and blues and a little bit of pink. And then after the bottle completely cooled, you can see Lily decorated it with stickers. So you can almost do a whole second craft by decorating the outside of your bottle. So that's all we have for today. We're going to clean up this mess, and thank you for joining us for our first ever
Cloverbud Creators.